discussion. Representative Fitzgibbon.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So I really want to thank you for your work on this budget. And I also want to say, I want to thank the members of the minority party for their amendments on this budget, which, you know, while they were mostly not accepted, I think reflect something important about our state, which is that members of the legislature, whether in the majority or minority party, hear from their constituents what needs are that they feel need to be met by their state government. You know, and most of those amendments were amendments to invest more in the people of our state. And while we're not in a place right now where we can say yes to every investment in the people of our state, I think it really matters that we're hearing from members of both caucuses, both Democrats and Republicans, about what the people that they represent need and the desire to see us invest more, whether that's in education, in workforce development, in higher education, in natural resources, in childcare, in healthcare. And so I really take that to heart, the fact that we have members of both parties that hear from the people they represent and bring those voices to this process to say, what can we do more to support the people who sent us here? You know, I think that we're in a particularly hard time right now for many reasons, but more than anything because of the expenses that we have been sent our way from Washington, D.C. Those are tough things that we are grappling with, but we also have, I think, through this budget shown that in spite of those incredible challenges, in spite of those incredible expenses that Washington state taxpayers are now being asked to bear, we have still managed to put forward a budget that prioritizes the people of our state in K-12 education, in higher education, in the social safety net. And while, you know, I don't know that there's any member here who can't think of a lot of things that we would have liked to see funded that aren't funded today, I am grateful to all the members of this committee and all the members of the House for putting forward their ideas and making sure that the operating budget that we've put forward does not forget that the people that we are working to represent, the people that we are working to lift up and support, don't always have a voice in this process, and that their voice is carried forward by the members of this body. I also really want to emphasize that public employees whose retirement security is relies upon state government making good choices. There is no state out of 50 that I would rather be a public employee with my retirement system managed by state government than this state. Every public employee in this state can rely on retirement security guaranteed by the state of Washington, both because of the decisions of courts in years past, but also because of the decisions of the legislature to make sure that those pension plans are fully funded and that are the envy of every state in the country. So with that, Mr. Chair, I really want to thank you for your work, and I want to ask you to vote yes.
Thank you, Representative Fitzgibbon.